Hey guys, George again, iONRx Q&A of the day. Today's is not really a Q&A of the day, but more of a little bit of clarifying everything, get the pun, clarifying like in your water, but clarifying a little misconception that we get a lot about iONRx. And a lot of our reviews and everything we get that iONRx seems to be a little expensive, is it worth adding to your chemical regimen? And we say yes. And how so? We actually can save you up to 60% on your monthly chemical costs. How can we do that? We lower everything. iONRx will lower the amount of oxidizer, sanitizer that you're going to be putting in the spa, drastically lower your pH and alkalinity adjustments, and you will not going to be needing very much of these clarifying agents or anything like that unless the spa gets contaminated with something. And to show you this, if you go to our website at www.ionrx.com, right on the top, you'll see right here, see how iONRx compares to its competitors. And right there, there's a breakdown on a spa we take as an example, iONRx versus traditional bromine and chlorine types of treatments and these self-regulating systems. So right there, we're going to show you exactly dollar for dollar how much you should be spending every month on a spa. Now, are we maybe a little bit off as far as the other the traditional methods and these self-regulating? I don't think so. We've done a lot of research. We've contacted many of our clients that have switched from that old type of treatment to the iONRx system. We asked them to fill out a questionnaire about how much they were spending. So think about that. You could save 60%, up to 60% on your costs while bathing in water that's at chlorine tap level water, meaning drinking water, 1 ppm roughly around there. So your suits aren't going to smell, your skin's not going to feel tight, your hair, nothing. And the water smells wonderful. I mean, it's like being in spring water. So you're going to save money. You're going to have a much better bathing experience. And the third one is that we're going to extend out the life of when you're going to have to change out the water. Why is that? Well, when you put chemicals into the hot tub and stuff like that, you're adding to what they call the dissolved solids of the spa. These are like rings on a tree. So the older that the water gets, the faster you're going to have to change out the water. With iONRx, we can extend that for probably 50 to 60% longer. So instead of changing out your water once or twice a year, we can maybe get you to 8-9 months of changing out that water. So it's a win-win-win. It's much better on the environment. You don't have to, when you drain the spa, you can pour it anywhere. It's not going to harm any plants or anything like that. So you're going to have a much better bathing experience. You're going to save up to 60%. That's huge. We're really excited about that. And we push that a lot because we get a little irked about it when people say, well, it's a great product, but it's a little expensive. When you look at it, take a look at the website. If we're wrong, please feel free to contact me. Let me know, because if I'm wrong, I'll be the first one. I'll come right back on here and I'll tell everybody that I was wrong. But I've been doing this for over 20 years. We see this all the time. We get a lot of people that say, George, I was wrong. I can't believe that, I actually can save some money and have a better experience. So give it a try. Take a look at the website, ionrx.com. Hit that link that'll tell you about how we compare to other types of treatment, and let us know. We'll talk to you again soon. Remember, like us, subscribe to us, and share us with your friends. And if you have any questions, give me a holler. Thank you.